Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, welcome back on my channel. I am going to apprise all of you that today on 30th of March 2022, an important, rather crucial notification was uploaded on the official website of Jammu Kashmir Service Selection Board regarding the postponement of various examinations, that is inspector and sub-inspector examination respectively for the finance department, and which were to be scheduled on 3rd of April 2022 and 17th of April 2022 respectively. And I am going to show you the notification in which you can see that the notification order has been today. It has been released today on 30th of March 2022. Although our examination was scheduled on 3rd of April, after 4 days we were going to appear in the examination of inspector in finance department, but today it has been postponed. So the reason we don't know about it, we are meant for this compliance, and we have to accept the norms and the conditions of the Jammu Kashmir Service Selection Board. What would be their decision, that is final. We have to accept that. So let me go to read this. This is Jammu Kashmir Service Selection Board. The subject is mentioned here. You can check it out. Written examination for the post of inspector, UT cadre and sub-inspector UT cadre. Advertisement notification number 4th of 2020 under item number 117, 118, 121 and 123 on 3rd of April 2022 and 17th April respectively. Both the examinations have been postponed. So some students have been inclusively they have been reading the books and completing the syllabus, and few students they have yet to complete the syllabus. So it is very important notification for all of us. Let us work hard for this examination. Let us all tighten the screws and mug up what we have to read, and the prerequisite syllabus which has been already circulated about it, so that this journey will become a cakewalk for all of us. मंजिलें उनकी होती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंख लगाने से क्या हवाओं में उड़ान होती है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. टेक केयर. खुदा हाफिज़. बाय बाय. अस्सलामु अलैकुम.